Welcome, I'm Safe, glad to have you again in the channel, and today what we have is a totally different rack system that we all know, and I'll explain how we can create this system and what does it do and what's the importance for it. So what we will do now, we will create it through Cloud Code. It's using Anti-Gravity, the IDE. So the first thing, this is using Google new embedding model. So other than we were using Pinecone, let me show you. So we were using Pinecone here, like a vector database. We're using it in N10. This is to chunk the information that you have. Then when you ask the chatbot or the AI about specific information about this type of project, so it gets the information correctly. Let's say that you have a user guide or a user manual, and you chunk it in this Pinecone, okay? So for big things, like let's say, for example, you have a big chunk of data, so it's really difficult to like cut it piece by piece, like embed the model itself and understand which one to put it in which way in order for the AI itself to easy find and answer you correctly and also give you image reference for it. So what we have here, we will build the fully 2026 one and how we will work. So let me show you just really quick here. Okay, so the first thing that we will need Google embedding link. Okay, we have it now. I just pasted it, and you can just copy and paste this one, and then you just tell it, okay, I want to create a rack system using this new Google embedding model, and also I will give you a PDF for a printer, a smart printer. We need to have it embedded into Pinecone. So I need you also to create the .env file that will have my OpenAI key or Anthropic key, and also we'll have Pinecone API key and Google AI Studio to have image reference from the actual PDF itself. Okay, so we give it everything here. So first it will read, let's just put it in plan mode. So plan mode typically to understand first and to have a plan, and then it will give you everything that you need. And of course, in order for you to know what is cloud.md, I will just put the link down here. You can check it in my school community. This is the school community. I will leave the link down in the description. We are an active community there. You will find me there. You can ask me any questions. You will find the YouTube resources if you want to have any question, if you want to post and have interaction. Also, we have classrooms here for anything course, and we have Cloud Code course, Workflow Vault, one-on-one consultation with me for 1 hour. And we have here the cloud.md prompt. This is the one to tell Cloud what does it do, how to do it, and what are the results that I need. Okay, I'll leave the link down below here. You can check it. Let's get back here. So it's still planning and understanding. So I believe it's still installing all the skills that is need from the Google one. And after it finish, it will create our plan in order to give us all the information that we need. Okay, after it created, I will come back to you. Great, now I finished the planning and everything. So the rack system, the printer manual, the Pinecone, the Gemini multimodal embedding. So it have everything now here. And let's just accept the plan and see what it will do. Okay, let's just change this to bypass permission. And in order for you to know what is the bypass permission and what are the difference between all this, I will leave the link above here. You can check the Cloud Code Skills Masterclass. It's really helpful one. You can check it. Okay, so now it's building everything. So now it will ask for our Pinecone API key, and it will ask for Google AI Studio. Okay, so while just is creating the files, let me show you something really quick. Okay, so this is Pinecone, okay, and this is the embedding model that we will use. Well, I use it for myself. I like it. And this is the Google AI Studio. We will use this one also in order to have our API key. And of course, if you have Anthropic or OpenAI key, you can just use it. So in order to get the API key for this, you will just go here after, of course, you sign in, and then you will just create API key, and let's say it, printer, manual. Oh, no. Okay, just call printer. Okay, let's just create the key. Let's copy it and close this one for now. Okay, let's go to our database here. Okay, it's still building it. Okay, so we will wait for it after it finishes. So we will add our API keys. Okay, great. I just add the API keys and I just tell it where is the printer PDF, and let's set it. Okay, so I just added the API keys, and this is the printer PDF. This is where it is. So start embed and creating like a little chat icon or a little chat web page that I can chat with it. Okay, and just to let you know why it didn't ask me for like Anthropic API key or OpenAI, because I already have it in my env file, but you should get it in order to have like an AI analyze the PDF and then replies to you. Okay, so now it will read it, then it will create the plan. I'm sorry, it will not create the plan, it's already in the bypass permission. It will just create our web page in order for us to able to chat with it. And let's see. Okay, great. So now it finished and it's embedding everything. So it's saying yeah, 40 pages embedded into Pinecone and the page images and also the chat server and everything. Okay, so now let's try it. Let's go here to our local host. Okay, it's saying it's filled. Okay, no problem. Let's just take a screenshot and let's go here and let's say, okay, so I tried to load it, but it's saying it's filled as you can see. So what is the problem? So it will start analyze it and check where is the issue, and then I believe it will work. Well, of course it will work. Why are we even doing this video? Okay, so now it's thinking and it's checking. So the issue path resolves the bug in the server Flask. Oh, okay. So I believe it didn't publish it correctly. Okay, it's just something like small fixes here. Okay, now kill the old one, and now it will start again. Okay, great, now it finished, and now after a lot of things, yeah, it was actually trying on board 5050, but it just changed it to board 8080, and then it's supposed to be working. Let's try it. Okay, great. Now we have our chat icon. So let's say, for example, how to connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, so what does it do? So it takes our query, how to connect to Wi-Fi, and it goes to the actual PDF, as you can see. So it have the PDF how to connect it to the Wi-Fi. So this is the exact page. It's page 33. Let's go to our PDF here and let's go to page 33. Okay, great. So it's exactly the same thing. So it got us the information in just a few seconds, and now we know how to wire it to Wi-Fi, type of connections and everything. We can ask it another question. Let's say, for example, we need to ask it what? Okay, and it give you multiple pages here, and it tell you exactly how to connect it. So what are the features that this printer have? This is just a random questions, a random question. We don't need to have the pre-made ones. So let's see. Great, I like it really. So based on the manual, so yes, it gives us everything. Of course, we can tweak the prompt, we can change everything. We can change the response because of course I don't like here the hashtags, the page, the images, the colors, everything. But what I like is like we just build this one literally without doing anything. We just give it our information and that's it. And actually we give it our information once, but like, you know, it's just once. Like each time you need to build different thing. Like let's say that you will not build a printer one, you will build something totally different, or even you will embed like 500 pages or 10,000 pages or something. It doesn't matter because you will just give it to Claude and Claude will understand it and it will know how to chunk it and then it will have it for you. So this is how RAG it's been now. It's really amazing. Like I really like it. And see, I didn't actually do anything. I just give it prompt, you know, like one of my employees, I just give it prompt, tell it what to do, and that's it. I actually just went to grab a cup of coffee and drink it while it's doing its work. So yeah, this is how we can do the RAG system here. And let me just tell you what is RAG. So of course, RAG system is the retrieval augmented generation, and here we have the vector database RAG. So we have here our documents, and then here it take the document itself, then it chunk it, and then like this is our PDF, and then it chunk it, let's say to 10 pages, and then it's embedding model. This is the one from Google, and this is what does it do. So it takes all the information and it understands. So okay, so this information, like it's a company information, is it a finance one, is it a marketing one, and then it puts everything it's and under category, like let's say this is a company, this is a finance, this is an tech, this is fashion and everything. So that's why it's called vectors. It's just called vector databases. Okay, and now when you ask it a question, so the AI analyze the question. If this question is related to fashion, if this question is related to food, for example, then it so understand the question, then it goes to this exactly the same vector store that your question is going to. So I hope you liked the video, and if you want to ask any question, you can just leave a comment down below. And if you need to have touch with me and connect and understand different workflows, different videos, and if you need also the exact same method step by step, you'll find in the school community. I will leave the link down in the description. You can check. We are an active community there. We have classrooms here and the workflow vaults. You can have a one-on-one consultation with me, and also we have multiple prompts like cloud.md and all the other files. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for making this happen, and see you on the next one.